What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing. No, not playing. But today I am gonna be showing you how to get how to custom your own keyboard. So what you do is go to the Play Store and type in RedDraw keyboard. So type in RedDraw keyboard. Scroll down, and this one right here. It says new 2017 on a 2018 keyboard. That's what you press and install it. And then this is what it should show whenever you install it. This is what it should show. Okay. It should show this. So you can custom your own keyboards and stuff. Buy stickers. And you could buy stickers and stuff. And yeah, and there's like RedDraw. So there's RedDraw coins. So that's what you want to do. So you want to get those so you can buy the stickers and stuff, the emojis and stuff. But make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And and put in the comments I subscribed and liked the video, and I will do a shout out on Shout Out Sunday. And so yeah, so I will end this video right here. So don't forget what I said about the Shout Out Sunday if you subscribe and like, and I will shout you out. And type it in the comments if you did so. So bye, guys.